So SportsFire and StreamFire do not work anymore in 2026. But don't worry, today I'll show you the best alternative, which still does work on Fire Stick as well as Android TV devices. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. You go to search and start typing Downloader in a search bar and then click on it when it pops out in the search result. So click Downloader and here is that app. But after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet because still you gotta set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. Here we are. Let's open the settings and then go to My Fire TV. Now from here, you need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So when you come back a bit, in here you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to installation of unknown apps, and from here you just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the web, and not necessarily only those apps, which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that is exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we head straight back to a list of apps on your device, and there's the Downloader, which we got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to the VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They've got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do here in the VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Norway right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head straight back to a list of apps on your device, then we open up the Downloader application, let's pop it out, and here at the top you now have to enter the code. So the code that you have to enter to access that new app to your device is gonna be 6840704. Again, it's 6840704. That is the code you need to enter. And then just click on next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done, because that way you'll get this option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So you simply click on delete and then delete once again. And that way you will actually save yourself some free space, which is, of course, pretty nice. Then we get back to a list of apps on your device. And here at the very back, you'll find this new application, which we just got. So first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. You hold it down and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access this app every time you need it. Just of course, don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, then just use my link below to get 3 months free of charge. Then feel free to go and open up this new application. And now I had to blur out my screen because of the YouTube rules. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically, it is an amazing live TV and live sports application with content from all over the world. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.